Okay, so I have fitted the coils. Now, I've decided to fit the coils with cable ties. I actually think this is probably the best solution rather than trying to bolt them on with brackets and things that are just going to get in the way. Of course, my one worry is that they might slide down. I don't think they will. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another cable tie on at the end around the actual outlet for the HT lead. I'm going to put one round either end, and so that will help prevent them sliding down. I think that's the only my only worry, that they'll slowly work their way down the rail with the vibration of the engine. But I think that's actually the best solution, rather than trying to use a bracket and stuff. So there are the coils. Face them that way, so that will go to that one, that will go down to this one, and hopefully it'll be okay. And I'm going to start trying to do the actual wiring to the coils now. Right, the next thing I've done is I put this extension ring on the end of the magneto, which has got two holes drilled in it to allow the wires to come out. And obviously this extension ring is basically there because the contacts, the pickups, obviously stick out much further than the end of the magneto, much further than the points used to do. So then the end cap will go on there, and this is my real problem, because then there's the clip which screws onto this nut back here, this bolt back here, little bolt. Can you see it? Yeah, there. Right, and that's got an arm on it that goes on the cap. Well, obviously now the cap is half an inch further out than it used to be. So somehow I've got to try and extend this clip. So this is the clip, and it goes like over, clips on the end cap there and holds the whole lot together. But it's got to come out half an inch. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet. That's my real problem that's coming up. Without that clip, literally the whole thing, the trigger mechanism that's only loose in there, because obviously it's got to be loose to be able to turn with the advance and retard. So the whole thing will literally just work its way out. I once started the bike without the end cap on, and with the points in, and that's got like a slip ring that go around the points, and the slip ring just worked its way out. So I don't know whether maybe just temporarily I could find some way of tying the end cap on, and then again the old cable ties or something. I'm not sure, whilst I try and get a machinist or something to work out what to do about this, fixing this clip on properly. I've discovered that the ring really sits on the pickups rather than the magneto casing, so the ring wants to move with the pickups. So what I'm going to have to do is when I get the end case on, I'm going to have to make sure the clip is like loose enough to allow the whole thing to turn. The cap will turn with all this under the clip. So if the clip's too tight, it will stop things from turning. So I just need it tight enough to hold it in place but allow everything to turn. Oh well, onwards and upwards. Something like that.